Which quantity does not change in a parallel circuit? Voltage. Which type of connection is used in home electrical sockets? Parallel. You plug in your landscape lighting transformer, but the lights stay off. What's the most likely first thing to check? Is it connected to a working outdoor outlet? Where is the best place to install a driveway exit wand probe? Buried just under the driveway surface where tires pass. You're replacing a worn power cord on a shop vacuum in your garage. Which cord is safest? An oil-resistant Shado cord rated for 20A.